Hello, this is Garima here. I'm doing my first video of tarot card, and this is a video where I'll be telling you about the mostly asked question about coronavirus, when the coronavirus is going to go. So I have done the reading and I'll just explain you what the reading has come. So this is the first reading. The first card shows me that it's like people are distressed, they are stressed out, they are not having, they are sleepless nights and everything. There is a lot of chaos in the country. People are not thinking regarding health, regarding profession, regarding everything. So this is the present situation, but the thing is that this was already destined before. It's a time which has come and it's going to end also. If the time has come, it will end also. It was secretive mission and it was very visionary. It was predestined, so it was visionary also, but the precaution was not taken by everyone. People didn't take it too seriously, so it was visionary. It was visionary and people were knowing about it. People were knowing about it, but the measures were not taken into consideration. This thing has come from abroad. It's a zero. That means it has come, it will go. It is travel. This coronavirus has come from abroad, and it shows a zero. The cycle is going to end. It's going to end. If it is started, it is going to end. It is going to end. Please go within, ask yourself what you have to do. You have to lot of meditation to be done. Lot of meditations to be done. It will go in 1 year. The coronavirus will go in 1 year. Yes, it's like Taurus. Yes, May 2022 it will go. So it's a new beginning. So about your passion, your will, it's a new beginning. Start everything new. Everything should be new. When I opened a card of normal cards, I got this Queen of Wands again. The Queen of Wands I got Knight of Swords, and I got Two of Hearts. Two of Heart means, like, it's like not a lover's card. It's about choices. You have to do a right choice. Whatever choice you're doing in your life, uh, make a right choice. Collaborate with good people. Collaborate with good people. So it's a collaboration also, and it's like a choices. Whatever choice you take. When there I took oracle cards, it came like you have to rest and rejuvenate. Please rest and regenerate. This is the time to rest and regenerate. Don't be indecisive. Make a right choice, whether it is food, what you're going, whether you're going out, whatever choices you will make, it will be destined. It will be destined. So that will be your destiny. Don't deceive yourself. चलो चलो आज चले जाते हैं, यहाँ घूम के आते हैं. Don't deceive yourself. Don't deceive yourself. Your choice is your choice. So don't deceive yourself. When everyone will take care of themselves, the coronavirus will not, the chain will break. So make a right choice. Make a right choice. It's a time of transformation. It's a time for transformation. Everybody needs to transform. When you regenerate, there will be a transformation. So it will be a transformation overall in the world. In every field there will be a transformation. Every field will be having some transformation. There will be new things coming in. So if you want, you can have this smoky cords. You can wear a smoky cords, which will be helping you in this pandemic. I would like to say that please do these affirmations every day. Invoke fire to light my way to the golden age, and always say before going to the bed, I visit Archangel Michael in my sleep tonight. Okay. Okay, so this is the reading. So best of luck for everyone. Don't chaos. Make a right choice. Everything is going to be fine. Your right choice is main thing. Make a right choice.